Quartermaster, the Star Force is overwhelmed. We must regain control quickly. Strike Force and Stronghold deployed.
Secure this landing zone. Balthazar, are we secure?
Negative. The Dauntless is tracking more Eldar hostiles inbound to the landing zone.
Prepare a defense, brothers. Chapter Command fights with you. Chapter Master setting out.
Tactical Command understood.
Team deployed.
Heavy new firing position, brothers.
Another wave is inbound. Heavy bolter team en route.
Infantry attacking.
We have engaged a weak enemy force. Northwards.
I will not be gone!
Die in the hands of such an eyesore. I have never Eldar, not on my friend.
Heavy bolter team deployed.
Our enemies await. No escape!
Your command.
We are battling a weak enemy force towards the northwest.
I have returned. Dying could be able to break it. I am ready.
Go ahead, Command. Hostiles killed.
We have engaged a weak.
I'm marching there now.
The landing zone is secure.
Good. Now, where is Jonah?
The signal marks his position in close proximity, ahead
Who
of
fights
you.
with me shall be
The
my
battle
brother.
brothers who were attending him are also nearby.
Doing it now. Territory marked for expansion.
Angelos! The Parchment Pusher has requested we assist the Blood Ravens. As such, Death Watch Kill Team Ironmore will deploy at your word.
Answer them with fury.
You'll die one by one.
Kill Team on the march. Sights on the Imperium. Kill Team Ironmore. Opposing target killed.
Repositioning. Angelo, I agree. Angelos. Gabriel moving out. I will not falter! No escape!
I serve the chapter. Engaging power fists.
We shall take what is ours!
This is Gabriel. Moving.
We've completed a requisition generator.
Begone!
Show me your escape. Scatter and break.
I will clear the way. Hold the alien back!
Make way!
There's Jonah, hurry!
Orks may stay by your
Grey stench fills the atmosphere.
Chapter Master, Brother Jonah requires urgent aid.
This day holds glory!
The Emperor swings his ally. The Avengers must be met.
Enemy spot kill! A requisition generator is ready. A power generator is ready. The alien must be purged!
Fire! Our enemies await death.
Gabriel,
I agree.
I'm afraid we have little time for talk. The relic they are after is from Acheron, a cursed world that emerges from the warp every 5,000 years. They have entrenched 2 positions onto the Star Fort to take it.
We must destroy these encampments to reclaim Star Fort Helios.
You have need of me.
I understand.
The might of the Blood Raven shall be done.
You are known to the Eldar, Gabriel Angelos. The warriors of my sword wind will burn your army to the ground.
This I will setting
Chapter
forth to
Master, the Eldar just sent a force to attack our base.
Right, Chapter Librarian on
We stand with you, Chapter Master. Tactical Marines ready.
This day I will ensure it.
Upgrade is complete.
I will carry out this plan.
Enemy dead.
Noted. If you'd like to learn more about the artifact, please report for summary punishment.
Lights our
A
way.
power generator is ready. A weak enemy force has engaged us. Look northeast.
The might of the Blood
No doubt. Any distance for victory.
They perish!
This one toils to please the Emperor.
Upgrade completed.
You have my favor. Chapter Master setting out. Angelos, I understand.
We've completed a power generator. Heavy bolter team deployed.
Notice. If afflicted with decompression sickness, The Imperium thanks you for your perseverance.
Just the roar of our salvos will cow the enemy.
Upgrading stronghold to tier 2.
Chapter command, Gabriel moving out.
We'll pursue. I have the trail. Follow, brothers.
Now guide me to glorious war.
He who's marching there now. Doing it now. I am Gabriel. Let us do it!
Release from imminent.
Repositioning!
All hands repel Xenos mortar.
The Eldar will fall! Begone! Understood!
Infantry
Thank you,
eliminated.
Chapter Master. We were separated from Brother Jonah when the Eldar attacked.
Another Eldar vanguard is heading towards our base.
I will carry out this plan. The might of them shall be done. He who fights with me shall be my... The Emperor lights our way.
Preparing Lascannon Devastators for deployment.
Our enemies moving.
You savages cannot hope to reclaim this rusted fortress.
What aid can
We'll see, Eldar.
Shake to my wrist.
Order!
Lascannon team deployed.
This is it.
Noted. The Inquisitorium
A power generator endures an attack.
is restricted.
A power generator has been destroyed. Requisition generator lost.
Your decree. Erase them, brothers!
My friend, they will regret these.
Power generator lost.
You're on the move! Falling on fire!
We are losing a point.
Ready jump packs!
No escape! I am thus I
The
journey.
Doctrine Chapel is besieged.
Raise it to the
Tell me and see it done. I shine.
Our Doctrine Chapel endures an attack.
Orion here. It shall be done. Right.
It will be battle.
Demolish it, brothers!
I am listening.
A Doctrine Chapel is besieged.
Guilty brothers!
Pull back, Eldar! You must protect our remaining encampment!
The Eldar have only one
You have
foothold
need
left.
of us.
Understood. I am up to the challenge.
A Doctrine Chapel is besieged. Preparing tactical marines for deployment.
In me, you've a battle psyker of something nothing. You'll see.
Understood. Let structural.
One less blemish upon the land.
Jonah Orion moving out.
Tactical marine squad deployed.
Acknowledged. Especially tactical marines.
Upgrade is complete and enemy force has engaged us.
Tactical squad.
The Eldar are attacking our base once more.
Targets my lord.
All hands repel Xenos mortar.
Angelos stands ready.
Preparing servitor for deployment. Servitor deployed.
May none find us wanting.
For terror!
Chapter Command fights with you.
An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded. Jonah Orion.
A servitor is en route. Delay that. Calling off reinforcements.
This one embarks.
We are in danger of losing a resource point.
Machine cult. Understood.
Preparing servitor for deployment.
Notice. Combat damage to hostile environment gear.
We
is
are
punishable
battling
by
a weak
execution.
enemy force.
Notice.
Southward.
Avoiding combat is punishable by execution.
Understood. Make way!
Playing this one to specify coordinates. Resuming construction. Command servitor. Constructing listening post.
I am
An
Gabriel.
open mind
It's like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded.
Machine cult completed.
Las cannon team on the move.
Angelos. Chapter Master setting out.
This one is configured for servitude.
This one will toil on listening post.
You have my favor. I will carry out this plan.
All hands to repel Xenos borders.
We have a listening post now. We've completed a requisition generator.
It's done! It's dead!
Under attack! No escape!
Structure ablaze!
Make way!
I am
The listening post is active.
My fury waits!
Draw sights on the incoming Eldar! Target eliminated!
I'll remind them of blood.
What a thus I journey through the fray. I'll make it mine.
I have met the enemy. I will
The power
not.
generator is ready.
This I will ensure it. We need these resources.
That task is done. Another?
Dreadnought en route.
Marching there now.
Tactical Marines ready.
This one's function is as follows. Work, toil, labor, drudgery. Initiating doctrine deployment.
Chapter Command
These
fights
bolters
with
are
you.
our weapons.
We are yours.
The
Dreadnought
might of the
deployed.
Emperor lights our way.
Noted. If you'd like to learn more about the artifact, please report for summary
I
punishment.
am Gabriel. Gabriel moving out. Angelo, doing it now.
Doctrine Chapel completed. Lance cannon team en route. We have engaged a weak enemy force. Northwards.
Praise then.
This shall be done.
Lance cannon team deployed.
It is sad that one day soon there will be no more Eldar to kill.
No escape! None can stop me! I am listening!
We purify this ground.
Simple enough. Tell me and see it done. True might. This day holds glory.
Intelligence on the artifact is restricted.
Bolters braced and loaded.
Lion here. I will clear the way. I am listening.
Even in death, I still serve.
A requisition generator is ready.
Servitor. Preparing armor.
I will not falter.
Morning infantry eliminated. Draw sights on the incoming Eldar.
Shutting out. Target eliminated.
Attack imminent.
We've completed a power generator.
There will be more death men before the day is out. Thank you, Chapter Master. We were separated from Brother Jonah when the Eldar attacked.
Understood.
The arsenal is prepared to arm our warriors.
Predator order confirmed.
You have my chapter master setting out.
Predator Destructor eager for service
He who
and
fights
success.
with me shall be my Gabriel moving out. You have my favor, and the Emperor's.
We are agents of ruination.
Notice.
The might of the
The
blood.
Inquisitorial decree. Now. Intelligence on the artifact is restricted.
Securing infantry damage upgrade. Upgrade started.
I am
Gabriel.
I understand.
Upgrade completed.
May this speed the enemy to ruination. You have a las cannon team on the move.
Chapter, I will carry out this plan.
How may I serve? Be done.
Tactical squad en route.
Angelos.
I am ready ever. On.
Infantry weaponry is improved.
Chapter
Tactical
command.
Marine squad deployed. We've completed an upgrade.
Combat damage to hostile environment gear is punishable by execution. Notice. Avoiding combat is punishable by execution.
No escape!
here! There'll be more dead footmen before the day is out!
This land within. Scatter and break.
I am chapter librarian on route.
We've upgraded infantry health.
Angelo, repositioning!
Tell me and see it done.
This is... I will ensure it!
Stationary target, easy kill!
This day, Warhammer has the back!
Ryan,
Shutting up! Make way! Our enemies are waiting!
Scorch the sways through the crowd.
This is Gabriel!
We're with you, Chapter Master.
Targeting infantry!
Cut us up without fear. Upgrade is complete.
I will clear the way!
Tell me and see it done.
Let us do it! I agree!
Another tally to us. Nothing denies it, bolt gun. Our last cannon will leave a mark on this place. Take some fight under the enemy's
Be gone!
This will
I
please the
will
Watch
not
Commander.
falter! Moving! No escape!
Your fire does its work here.
This dreadnought awaits your orders.
Our enemies await death! Repositioning!
I am steeled for what's to come. Orion en route!
The might shall be done. I will clear the way! Make way! My fury wakes!
They are no match for us. We hear you. Go ahead.
A triviality to this.
Shutting up!
You have won back your fortress, humans, but we have what we came for. The fragment of Acheron is
I will
ours.
not falter!
Channel ablaze.
There's the relic. It's some sort of power core.
We don't have much time before they get away. The Inquisitor won't like it, but to keep the relic from Eldar hands, we must destroy it. This day holds glory!
We've purified this ground. It's broken now. Moving.
Capturing!
Infantry weaponry upgrade in progress. Securing vehicle durability upgrade. Land speeder en route.
You have my favor, and the Emperor lights our way.
Land speeder deployed. Shoot my weapon! There'll be more dead footmen before the day's out.
No escape!
damage upgrade secured.
It shall be done. And Gabriel moving out.
Reporting infantry eliminated. All your fire does its work here. Launch us away through the crowd.
This one is expendable. Oh, I will ensure it. I will carry out this plan.
They've formed ranks around me!
Make way! This is King Emperor! No escape!
Vehicle weaponry upgrade secured.
Not so fast!
The Emperor likes my way. Another defeat for the Eldar!
I am listening!
This day holds glory to battle!
Our enemies await nature takes a bite out of the enemy lines.
Make way!
Advancing Eldar extinction.
Be gone!
Structure ablaze. Tracking. Infantry durability is improved.
The relic has rooted itself in the star.
Raise the building.
Like an infection. I don't trust this thing.
Is my shield. Morning infantry eliminated. We can do it. The parade while we're on the trail. Preparing las cannon devastators for deployment. Kill Team Ironmore. Vehicle durability is improved. Las cannon team deployed.
Meditating long in Belgium.
We are ready to accelerate. Ready. Aim your whirlwind relocating.
This one is your lowly surplacing machine under service.
Heavy bolter team deployed. Only we can slay. Dreadnought deployed.
I am ready. Let it be done.
Heavy bolter team deployed.
Only from the front can I turn the tide.
With us, the skies missiles to spare. Las cannon team deployed.
You have Xenos for us to slay. Such coincides with a hunt, I hope.
Signal is clear. In flight. Inquisition's hounds! That is us! It will be so, provided Brother Neville does not wish to swine about it. Switching to plasma guns. We are moving.
This one would...
We've completed a requisition generator. The Inquisition's hounds! That is us. Plasma guns deployed. Such ventures are best left to us. Under fire! Hull holding! Land speed under attack!
I will set the curse for Eldar.
Land gateway ready!
Taking damage.
I am John Orion of the Blood
I
Ravens.
will not let us quit targeting. No escape!
If you destroy this planet, you humans will lose it for yourselves as well.
The ancients should have been purged in the first place. Better than to let your kind have it.
Our holy standard is cast.
To battle!
Back! Tell me through fire.
Whirlwind reporting ready. A weak enemy force has engaged us. To the southwest. In his name!
This attacking!
Directing fire and the alien must be purged at all costs.
You have need of me.
You may have destroyed the planet, but Acheron itself will soon be here. When it arrives, we will not be stopped!
Glory be to the chapter.
It had to be done, Inquisitor. Better to burn the relic than let it fall into Xenos' hands.
The backlash damaged all of Helios's systems. Starfort Helios is helpless, and my blockade fractured. You need to fix this, Angelos.
Before planet Acheron arrives. That's what you intend to blockade. Is it not, Inquisitor?
Well deduced.
You can't hide secrets from Blood Ravens. Our chapter archives keep records of Acheron. The Eldar have fought for it before, hoping to claim its treasure. A weapon of untold power.
The mythical Spear of Khaine. That is why I need to blockade Acheron. To keep the Eldar from getting it. But you've broken my blockade.
This spear is concerning. What if I redeployed Brother Chaplain Diomedes and his detachment to defend Helios? Is that satisfactory?
That will work. Yes, very well. If that is all, Inquisitor out.
Wise. Though Diomedes won't approve.
You and I will have to assume his duties on Cyprus Ultima. I don't trust the Inquisitor. But until Acheron comes, this blockade is the correct tactic.